Investing in 2025. Time to grow your money. Listen up, because 2025 is your year to make that money work for you. This is the perfect time to start thinking about your financial future and taking steps to secure it. Investing is like planting a seed. You need to nurture it, give it time, and watch it grow into something substantial. You put your money in something that has the potential to grow. It could be stocks, real estate, or even a small business. And just like a plant, the earlier you plant that seed, the more time it has to bloom. The key is to start early and be patient. Don't let your money just sit there. Make it work as hard as you do. Every dollar you invest should be a soldier in your financial army. We're talking about two awesome ways to invest: the stock market and side hustles. Both have the potential to significantly boost your income. These aren't just buzzwords, folks. They're your tickets to financial freedom. Imagine the possibilities when you have multiple streams of income. With the stock market, you're buying small pieces of big companies. It's like owning a slice of the corporate pie. And with side hustles, you're the boss, creating multiple income streams. You have the power to control your financial destiny. Imagine this. You could be relaxing on a beach while your money is making more money. Passive income is the dream. Sounds good, right? That's the power of investing. It's about making your money work for you, even when you're not working. It's not just about getting rich quick. It's about building long-term wealth and security. It's about planning for your future and your family's future. So are you ready to take control of your financial future? The journey starts with a single step. Let's dive in and explore how to make that happen. Together, we can unlock the secrets to financial success and freedom. Okay, first things first. What the heck is the stock market? It's a place where people buy and sell pieces of companies. Think of it like a giant flea market, but instead of selling old clothes and furniture, companies sell tiny pieces of themselves called stocks. These stocks represent a small ownership in the company. When you buy stock, you're buying a piece of ownership in that company. It's like owning a small part of the business. Now, why should you care? Because when the company does well, its stock price goes up. This means your investment grows. And guess who benefits? You do. Your shares become more valuable. You can sell your stock for a profit. This is how many people make money in the stock market. Of course, the market can go down too. Prices can fall, and you might lose money. But remember, we're in it for the long haul. Investing is about patience and long-term growth. Don't be intimidated. Investing in the stock market is easier than you think. With the right tools, anyone can do it. You can open an account with an online broker in minutes. It's quick and straightforward. These platforms are user-friendly, even if you're a complete beginner. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you know, the better your decisions. Before you buy any stocks, do your research. Understand what you're investing in. Read about different companies, understand their business, and see what the experts are saying. This will help you make informed decisions. All right, let's talk about some potential winners in the stock market for 2025. Remember, this isn't financial advice, just some ideas to get you started. Always do your own research before investing. First up, we've got the electric vehicle industry. With gas prices through the roof, EVs are the future. Keep an eye on Tesla, of course, but also look at companies like NIO and Rivian. They're making big waves. Next, artificial intelligence is changing the game in every industry. Companies like Nvidia and Google are leading the charge. Investing in AI is like investing in the future itself. Don't forget about renewable energy. Solar and wind power are booming, and companies like First Solar and Vestas Wind Systems are poised for growth. Investing in clean energy is not just smart financially, it's smart for the planet. Section 4, Side Hustle Power, build streams of passive income. Now, let's talk about side hustles. These are additional ways to earn money outside of your regular job, and they can be incredibly rewarding. These are like bonus levels in the game of life. They add excitement and variety to your financial journey. They're all about creating multiple streams of income, so you're not relying on just one source. This diversification can provide financial stability and peace of mind. The beauty of side hustles is that you can choose something you're passionate about. This makes the work feel less like a chore and more like a fulfilling hobby. Love to write? Become a freelance writer or start a blog. Share your thoughts, stories, and expertise with the world? Good with a camera? Offer photography services for events or portraits. Capture special moments and turn your passion into profit. One popular side hustle is creating and selling online courses. This allows you to reach a global audience and share your knowledge. If you're an expert in something, share your knowledge with the world. Teaching others can be incredibly rewarding and profitable. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable make it easy to create and sell your courses. They provide the tools you need to get started quickly. Another great option is affiliate marketing. This involves promoting other companies' products or services. You can do this on your website or social media channels. It's a flexible way to earn extra income. You earn a commission for every sale you generate. It's a win-win. The more effort you put in, the more you can potentially earn. Section 5. Your investment journey starts now. There you have it, folks. Investing your hard-earned money doesn't have to be scary. Whether you choose the excitement of the stock market or the flexibility of side hustles, the key is to start now. Remember, the earlier you plant that seed of investment, the more time it has to grow. Don't wait for the perfect moment. The perfect moment is now. Want to learn more about specific investment strategies, get exclusive stock picks, and discover even more lucrative side hustle ideas? Subscribe to our channel and join our community of savvy investors. We're all in this together, folks. Let's make some money.